Alright guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and take a quick look at this Spigen casing here for the Galaxy S10. So yeah, I did get one in case. I know the S10 came with a cover, but who knows, if it doesn't hold up, I'll just get a more durable case for the S10. So this one is pretty affordable actually, by Spigen, and it's actually the same one that I have bought, the same model. You can see it's the Liquid Air, I'm not mistaken. Does it say the Liquid Air? Alright, it's down here. You can see Liquid Air. So this is a Liquid Air series. It says you have protection for, it says, I think it has quite a good protection. Let me check. Yeah, it's the same as the S8 I checked, so protection should be quite good. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing pretty quickly. So I'll just tap over here. So if you didn't check out the S8's unboxing of the same cover, you can check out the video somewhere around here. I'll put a card where you can see the video. Let me just open this. Alright, got it. Here we go. So I think there's nothing else inside. Yep, it's blank. So this is the casing. Yeah, it's the same thing. You see that pattern, the Spigen logo, and oh yeah, it is the same actually. Let's try putting it and take a look at how it is. So this is the S10 with the plastic cover at the back. You can see I'm going to be removing this and changing it and see how it looks like. Okay, I removed that, so now you can see it's naked. Now let's put it in. Oh, not too bad actually. Looks pretty good. Still can see the green accents at the back, so it's pretty nice. Whoa. Not that heavy, it's pretty light. Even though with the case it still looks pretty protective. Yeah, even in the case it still looks pretty protective. You can see all the ports on the bottom are protected, the side buttons as well, even the top. Yeah, importantly is the camera as well. You can see it's flush here as well, the screen. So pretty nice protection. Compared to the Samsung one over here, this one doesn't even protect the ports at the bottom and the side. Just a bit actually. So yeah, but this is free, so we can't complain. Alright guys, so I think that wraps up the unboxing for the Spigen cover, Liquid Air by Spigen. Pretty nice casing actually, it's pretty cheap as well, and it's only available in matte black, so one color only. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.